Not quite 5 inches so far, but it's still coming down. And no way of telling what the sundial time is. And it looks beautiful as it's coming down. So here in Lakewood, it looks beautiful. With the beautiful snow, waking up to this, having hot chocolate. And it's supposed to continue like this until about 3 p.m. today. So I don't know how many more inches we're going to get. But here in Lakewood off of Chirac, it's looking good. The road has been plowed somewhat, and they're getting ready to do our driveways and sidewalks. So I'll update this a little bit later.